Look at this face. It is 99% human. But that missing 1% doesn't make you feel curious. It makes your skin crawl. Your brain doesn't register it as a machine. It registers it as a threat. It is screaming at you to run away. Roboticists call this the uncanny valley. The closer something gets to looking human, without actually being human, the more repulsive we find it. But robotics is a brand new science. Evolution takes millions of years, which leaves us with a terrifying question. Every instinct you have was forged by evolution to keep you alive. You are afraid of the dark because predators hunt in the dark. You are afraid of heights because falling kills you. A phobia is just an evolutionary scar, a lesson learned in blood by your ancestors. Some biologists believe the uncanny valley is just our fear of corpses and disease. But there is a darker theory. We have a biological alarm bell, specifically designed to detect something that looks human, acts human, but isn't human. Which means at some point in our evolutionary history, there was a reason to be terrified of an imposter. We were hunted by something that mimicked us. For thousands of years, that alarm bell has been silent. The imposters went extinct. We were the only humans left, until now. Silicon Valley is obsessed with ignoring the alarm. They are actively trying to bridge the uncanny valley, building machines that perfectly mimic human empathy and appearance. We forgot why we were afraid, so we started building the monster ourselves, subscribed to stay human.